new sentencing. A former Olympic gymnastics doctor has already received what amounts to life sentences for sexual abuse and child pornography. As Michigan Radio's Kate Wells reports, Nasser's accusers are still coming forward.
Nasser is now being sentenced for sexually abusing girls at a Michigan gymnastics club. At least 65 survivors are expected to make statements over the next week. Several of them say they didn't want to go public until they heard more than 150 women and girls speak at Nasser's previous sentencing. Becca Boving is an athletic trainer at a high school where Nasser worked. She says at first she was hesitant to come forward.
I felt that admitting I was a victim of sexual assault, it would make me less of a role model to these kids.
The state attorney general's office announced that more than 250 complaints have come into law enforcement about Larry Nasser. For NPR News, I'm Kate Wells in Charlotte, Michigan.
A former Massachusetts pharmacist convicted in the deadly 2012 fungal meningitis outbreak has been sentenced to 8 years in prison. Glenn Chin was a supervisor at the specialty pharmacy that sent out contaminated injectable steroids. The medication sickened nearly 800 people and killed 2. I'm Shay Stevens, NPR News in Washington.
Support for NPR comes from NPR stations. Other contributors include Home Advisor, an online service used by more than 30 million homeowners to find home improvement professionals, from plumbers to remodelers, matching each homeowner with pre-screened professionals in their area. More at homeadvisor.com.
Welcome to The Inquiry from the BBC World Service with me, Helena Merriman. Each week we bring you 4 expert witnesses answering one pressing question from the news. In January this year, Halifax, a town on the east coast of Canada, had a problem. Its recycling plant was full. Waste plastic was piling up in bins outside people's homes. So they buried it. 300 tons. In Alberta, on the other side of Canada, the same problem. 5,000 tons of plastic with nowhere to go. This time, they stockpiled it in sheds, trailers and warehouses. It's a similar story across the US and Europe. Millions of tons of waste plastic sitting in recycling plants and ports. And that's because China, the world's largest recycler of plastic, has said enough. On January the 1st, it banned imports of most of the waste plastic that sent its way. And now, as the plastic mountains grow, concerns around plastic are becoming harder to ignore. At our current rate of consumption, experts predict there'll be 12 billion tons of plastic in landfill or in the natural environment by 2020. And most of it will take hundreds of years to break down. So how did we get here? This week, we're going to tell you a remarkable story. A story of a great love affair with a material that changed the world. In this week's inquiry, we're asking, how did we get hooked on plastic?
Part 1. The birth of plastics.
Was a world of wood and glass and iron and cotton and wool.
That's Susan Frankel, author of a book on the history of plastics. She's talking about an age that most of us find hard to imagine, a world before plastic.
It was a world where the things that people wanted, they had to turn to the natural world to make.
And some of the most highly prized natural materials were those which we could mold and shape.
So if the Aztecs used rubber to make balls that they could play an early version of basketball with, the Romans used amber to make vases out of. People used horn both to make things like combs or to make cups.
And these more pliable substances have one thing in common. They contain a compound called a polymer, a chemical made